Hi guys, so I thought I'd just go over my camera equipment that I'm taking on holiday with me, because you do ask about it sometimes. So this is my camera equipment case. It's nothing fancy, like I don't have the best of stuff, but I just thought I'd go through what I've got. I'll put links to everything in the down box below. So this is my camera case. I got the case from Amazon, and then I'll just go through the products here. So starting off with my GoPros, I have one GoPro here, which is the Hero Plus. This was the first GoPro I got with a protective lens, and then I got an extra extender part on the back so then I could see what I was shooting. That was my very first GoPro. And then this is my most recent one. This is the GoPro Hero 7. It is in the shade white, but it's more like a really light grey. Absolutely love this. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, shock absorbent, and it's like a stabilization one as well. So yeah, really good. I got an extra battery in here. Ooh. So yeah, extra battery in there, and then I got a travel charger with some extra leads. All of the leads are for like my GoPros, or this one is for like when I go abroad. Yep, this circle disc here, this is my 360 time lapser. You just pop your GoPro or your normal camera on top of that and spin it around, and it will do a full 360 in either like an hour or 45 minutes or even 15. It's really cool. It does like ting a little bit. Sorry, there's like some birthday gifts down here at the bottom. Yeah, so that's it. I've got some like extra little you can get to it, some screws in here. Then over this side I do have my water float. So that's my floater with a little handle, that like wrist strap. Then this big one here, this is a underwater light, so I use it when I go like scuba diving or normal diving, like through caves and things like that. I actually took it to Mexico and it was amazing. It has 3 different types of lights, so it has like a natural, a brighter one, and then one that's like really bloody bright. And in the back, so I'm doing this all with one hand, there is a part where you can charge it, or you can take the batteries out to charge them separately in like the travel charger that I have down here. Yeah, so we've got that. There we go. Can you get it back in now? Sorry. And then in here I have a waterproof casing. It looks wet. It is wet at the moment because I have just washed it because I last used it in the ocean, so it's got loads of like salt water on it, so I just had to wash that. And I will dry it out properly in a bit. And then I've got these stick-on attachments, and then a normal one, and in here I've got some memory cards. I will need to get a couple more, and there's extra memory cards. Each of the GoPros do have a memory card in at the moment, but I am going to grab some more before I go away, because I am going to Lanzarote and Disneyland Paris within a month. And then in this side I have a monopod, so kind of like a selfie stick. I don't really use it, to be fair, anymore, so I'm not sure why I've still got it, but you know, you never know when you need it. And then I have a head strap, and then in this one is the chest strap. So that's my GoPro equipment. I just want to get one more of these floaties for the Hero 7, just because of when we're at like water parks or to the ocean, things like that. My sister will probably take the Hero 3 and I'll have the Hero 7, so we get like multiple shots of different things. And then just my everyday, what I call my vlogging camera, is this one here, and it is the Sony. I don't remember exactly what type it is. I'll have to double check it and fill it out for you. And then I have my little holder, my tripod. I really like this tripod because it does have a leveler. Can you see the little bubble in there, so I can tell you when I'm like shooting straight. But yeah, so I got that. That's waterproof as well, and it just sits up perfectly. Oh, I'm sorry about that. That's paint. That's old stain. But yeah, so that's my vlogging camera, and then these are all my GoPro bits and bobs. Links to all of this will be in the Dropbox below. Yeah, I hope you like this video. It's just a quick one. Sorry, I'm filming it on my phone because obviously that's the camera I would normally use. so quality and sound's not going to be the best, and I'm in a little bit of a rush today. But that's my equipment, that's what I'm taking on holiday with me. Any questions, any information about specific items, so like the GoPro 7, the 3, the time lapse, or anything like that, just comment below and I will message you. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon.